Hey guys, so everybody is already showing the full box, so I'm going to go ahead and just let y'all see the whole box. Y'all probably have already seen it by now, and you know that the date was announced. For annual subscribers, they will be able to get it on Tuesday, April the 23rd, and for the rest of the charmers, they will be able to get it Wednesday, April the 24th, and you have to stay tuned, keep your bell on for the exact time that will go out that day. So I'm going to go ahead and tell you the first items that we already know is going to be in the box, and then I will reveal the last two items because, again, everybody's already putting this box out there. So why not let my Glow Tarts find out? Anyways, the first thing was the Glow Recipe Watermelon Sheet Mask, and again, you will get a set of 2 of these. The second thing is the Glam Glow Super Serum 6 Acid Refining Treatment, and that is worth $65. The third thing will be the Cotour Coconut Cleansing Oil, valued at $32. And then the next thing is the Saturday Skin Rub-a-Dub Refining Peel Gel, and this is valued at $28. Now, earlier today, I put out a video showing 2 more items, which was the LMS Superfood Night Cream, that is valued at $55, and then the Cosmetics Jade Roller, and this is valued at $35. Now, on this special item, the ones that are being released, and I don't know if they're wrong or not, but they are showing the Herbivore, I think that's how it's pronounced, Botanicals. They're showing that Jade Roller, and it is $30. But on BoxyCharm's actual Instagram, it is showing that it is the brand Cosmetics, not Herbivore. So I'm not exactly sure if they're doing variations with this or not, because I also seen the Cosmetics Rose Quartz Crystal Facial Roller, and I did see that in another box. So I'm not sure if that's going to be some kind of variation between rollers and brands or exactly what that is. So we will go ahead and reveal the last 2 items. Now, the first thing is the Cadali or Caldali. I'm not exactly sure how to pronounce that. This is the grape water. And what this is a facial mist. And this will help to soothe, refresh, and moisturize. And it shows the directions to do not rub it in. So you just mist it on your face and go. Now that is valued at $10. And then the very last item, which is what I was saying is my favorite item in the whole box, is the Farsali Jelly Beam Highlighter or Jelly Beam Illuminator, whatever you want to call it. This is valued at $40. And on this, there are no shades that are specified. So I'm not sure if there's going to be different variation shades or exactly if, you know what, I don't know if there's going to be just one shade or more, so who knows. And again, this might not be the only box that they show. There might be more variation boxes, so we'll just have to wait and see. And again, make sure your bell is on, that way you could stay updated on everything and then get the time for the box to be released. So guys, that is the end of this video, and make sure you go ahead and hit that like button. It lets YouTube know that you are enjoying my videos, and make sure you subscribe to join my family, guys. And as always, if there are other spoilers or anything on any other brands or boxes or whatever, they all will be linked below. Also, BoxyCharm is linked below if you want to go check them out. And again, just make sure you subscribe to join my family, guys. So I love you guys so much, and I will see you in the next one.